everyone, welcome to the Robobloq Steam Show. Global warming is real as you and I. And in a very hot summer day, we have so many devices helping us cooling down. But as a maker, we decided we are going to make something. And that's why today I wanted to present to you our very own Q-Mind mini fan. Okay, so if you have been following us, then you know that we make everything out of Q-Scout. And right here we have Q-Scout's Q-Mind to receive and to send out the commands. And then we have this mini fan to blow wind. And right here we have two very important components. It's called the linear sliding potentiometer. So what does it do? Right here, this one controls the level of the wind. If you want it to be stronger, if you want it to be weaker or medium. And then this one on the right side, it controls the angle where our mini fan will blow at. Well, now let's take a look at the code. First, let's start by using our when program begin block and find our forever loop block. In this case, we have two variables. We named it A and B, representing our two slider sensors. So let's find our sensors. The first slider sensor is plugged in port 1 and the second is plugged in port 2. Now let's set our mini fan speed. We set our mini fan speed at the variable A divided by 10, because in reality our mini fan speed is much slower. So now let's move to the second slider sensor, and by finding our if, then and else block. Let's go to operators, and when the second slider sensor's value, which is represented by variable B, is greater than 900, then let's set our motor to run forward at the speed of 60. And when the value is less than 900, then let's set our motor to stop, so speed at 0. Now this is the entire program. Once you finish your program, click here to connect your robot with your PC and upload your program to the robot. Alright, that's it. That's all for today. But before you go, I have a news I want to share with you. Robobloq just launched its own affiliate program. And if you like our product, if you want it to be a part of the future progress, please click the link in the description to join our program. I'll see you next time. Bye!